In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your Honeywell 4-button key fob 5834-4 ADT. This key fob is compatible with this panel and requires one 3-volt CR2032 battery, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer. You'll also need small Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers. You'll know it's time to replace the battery in your key fob when you receive a low battery message on your system panel. Also, if the LED doesn't flash when you press a button, the battery needs replacing. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your panel. To open the case, flip the key fob over and use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the bottom screw. Then, gently separate the front and back covers. With the battery compartment open, slide the flathead screwdriver under the battery near the gold tab and carefully pop it out. Wait 10 seconds. With the positive side facing up, slip one end of the battery under the gold tab, then press the other end down until it clicks into place. To close the key fob, align the top ends, hook the back cover onto the front, and snap both sides together. Then, reinsert the screw and tighten it with a Phillips head screwdriver. To confirm power is restored, press a button on the key fob to arm or disarm your system. The LED should flash green. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume using the Honeywell key fob with your ADT security system. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.